guys, so today we're actually going to start our lesson on how to do different operations between different polynomials. So today's lesson is adding polynomials, and it's really simple. It's pretty much the exact same as the gathering like terms lesson that we did yesterday. So this is lesson 6.4, adding polynomials. When we're adding them algebraically, we're just going to ignore the brackets that separate our polynomials. Then we gather like terms like we learned yesterday, and then simplify by adding or subtracting those like terms. So in this case, I have this polynomial here for 4x squared plus 3x minus 2, and I'm adding the second polynomial, 2x squared minus 4x plus 3. And so again, we just ignore the brackets and then start gathering our like terms. So we'll put our x squareds at the front. So I'm going to do the 4x squared first, and then go over to the other polynomial and grab that 2x squared. It is a positive number, so it'll be plus 2x squared. Then I'm going to get my x's, so I'll get my positive 3x next. And then my negative 4x, so minus 4x. And then I'm going to grab my constants, so I'll do my minus 2 and then my plus 3. From there, we can identify our like terms, and they just get either added or subtracted together. So 4x squared plus 2x squared is 6x squared. Positive 3x minus 4x is minus 1x, or you could just do minus x. And then negative 2 plus 3 is positive 1. So that would be your final answer. We can also add polynomials using modeling. In that case, you just ignore the separation between the two polynomials, and then we just simplify this like normal. We cancel out the opposite terms and identify whatever's left over. So in this case, I've got a positive x squared here. I've got some negative x squareds here. So one of those will cancel out the positive x squared. Then I have 3 positive x's and 4 negative x's. So those 3 will cancel out 3 of the negative ones. And then I have this negative 1. It's going to cancel out one of the positive ones. And so what I'm left with is this negative x squared. And then everything else there is canceled out. Over here, 3 of these have been canceled out. 1 is left, so that is a negative x. And then I have 2 positive constants left, so plus 2. And that would be my final answer. Okay, so that is it for adding polynomials. Next step is subtracting.